balloon. In the end, I did it.
I did not know, by just using plastic bags, skewers and cardboard, we can make a nice looking and creative lantern out of it.
I learned that I could use plastic bags to weave them into a form of a bottle. It was a great experience.
Through this workshop, I found that my students were able to use a variety of materials to create a product that expresses their ideas in an original and personal way.